Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the topic thermodynamics, topic 5, heat and work. Did you hear the word heat and work? What is heat? Low temperature, high temperature. In the suppose if your body temperature is increases, automatically you go to the doctor, we feel fever, isn't it? So heat. So the energy, heat as well as work is what? Energy is ability to cause change in object. So heat may be produced in different sources, not only for. So this is also heat, this is solar heat, and chemical energy also produces heat, and electrical energy also produces heat, mechanical energy. So everything is a energy. The heat is a form of energy. The change can involve either the motion or the position of an object or its particulars. Suppose the global warming, hear the word. Did you hear the word global warming? How it is produced by the earth? So, because of heat, as well as work done by the people, as well as the internal energies was increased on the earth, it created the global warming. The main reason is heat. Heat produces by the new technologies, vehicles, and so on. It releases carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. You know that. The main reason is for heat. This is known as global warming. Now we can go for what is heat. The heat is it is recorded as an energy in transmit across the boundary. The heat represented the letter Q, small q. I told you already in the last class, this is path function. It is path function. The SI unit of heat is joule, and this heat is sign convention of heat. If the heat flows into the system, the Q is taken as a plus Q. If heat flows out of the system, Q is taken to be a negative, it is a minus Q. Simply we can say, suppose in a system, you can consider any system, it may be ice cube, it may be a candle, anything else. If the work is done, it is a minus q. When the work is done by the system, so automatically minus q will be coming. It means it is flow out the heat. The heat is releases from the system. Similarly, heat flows into the system. In this heat flows into the system, it is positive value, and this is usually measured in joule, or else it is a calorie value. What is mean by calorie? A calorie is defined as a quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius in the vicinity of 15 degrees Celsius. And do you know the difference between heat as well as temperature? What is heat? What is temperature? So suppose if your body temperature is increased, automatically you feel fever, isn't it? If you go for a doctor, they're using to measure your heat, isn't it? That measurement is known as the heat measurement is known as temperature. So heat is produced by any sources. It is measurement is known as temperature. Heat as well as temperature. It is a path function. Next one, path function, we are going to see, that is what work. It is represented by W symbol. So already know that what is work. The energy transferred when an object is moved against force. W is equal to F into T. W is equal to work in joule. The unit also for work is joule, and F is force in Newton, and T is distance in meter. And in this work, how it is working? Not only that, you are doing some work, you are jumping, you are running, you are moving, or you are pushing something, whatever it may be, it is also work. You consider we are a system, we are doing daily work, it is also work. Similarly, here also, suppose work can be done on deformable system such as gas. Suppose see here the piston. Here in this cylinder, this is gas is filled here. In this above, the piston is fitted here. So from that the forces is applied. Just you can imagine that if you are pumping the air to the cycle, isn't it? What you are doing? You are giving force to the cycle pump. So automatically the airs are moving inside the pump, isn't it? Likewise. So consider a cylinder with a removable piston. This is movable piston. Your force is applied to slowly compress the gas. So what happened if you are pushing this, if you are giving force, automatically the gases. The compression is slow enough for all the system to remain essentially in thermal equilibrium. This is said to be quantostatically. So now you can understand what is work. The work is nothing else. It is also a path function. The formula for work is W is equal to F into X. The joule is a unit of work. It is work done by a force or 1 Newton through displacement of 1 meter. So J is equal to Nm. So the work is, we have to say, it is W is equal to F into X. The work formula. So the work formula we are going to say W is equal to P del V, or more general we are going to say W on, it is integral minus PTV. We shall see later what it is. So formula actually it is minus W is equal to F into X. That is a work formula. Same thing if work done on the system. Work done on the system, or else you are pushing the car, you are moving the car. So you are working on the system. So work is on the system means always I said it is a plus W symbol. Work is done by the system. Work is done by the system. What example we can say? Suppose the system, suppose ice cube is started to melting or candle started to burning. It is what system? The system is working here. So the system is working here means the work is done by the system. So we can say it is a minus W. Suppose if this work is done on the system, suppose we are doing the system, we are doing some work on the system, it is plus W. So we can say this system is minus W as well as plus W. This is maybe work done on the system as well as work done by the system. It is also a path function. This work is appeared. This work is appear. See here, you can imagine this is one of the system. It may be any one, ice cube, or it is a candle, or you are pushing the car, or you are pumping the air to the cycle tire, or anyone you can imagine. So what happened inside? If you are pumping the air to the cycle pump, automatically the internal energy will be increases. Is it right? So here work done on the system plus W. What happened if this work is done on the system means the internal energy will be increases, automatically the heat will be also increases. So here plus W means automatically when the work is plus W, automatically the heat is supplied to the system. So the Q will be also plus. So plus Q as well as plus W. At the same time, work is done by the system. The ice cube started to melt, or the cycle pumper releases the gas. Suppose if you are blowing the balloon, automatically the gas molecules are moving inside the balloon. Automatically the internal energy will be increases. Automatically afterwards, if you are releasing the air, the system of balloon is a system. It is releases the gas. It means what work is done by the system. So automatically it is minus W. If it is not done by the system, minus W means heat is released from the system. It is minus W. So minus Q. Plus W, again plus Q, again minus W, it is minus Q. This is, we are going to see, we are giving the relation between Q as well as W. Q is what? Heat, and W is what? Work. So both path function we can relate it here. See here, this is system. So apart from that, this is surroundings. Here work is plus W means work is done on the system. Plus W means what happened? The Q will be also, heat is supplied to the system, right? Both are similar. Plus W plus Q. It means done on the system, heat is supplied to the system. Remember this. And here what happened? Work is done by the system. System is working. Boiling, fusion, whatever it may be. The system is working here. So work is done by the system. It is minus W. If it is minus W means what happened here? Automatically the heat is released from the system. It is minus Q. So students, in this lesson we discussed about both path function. What it is heat as well as Q. Heat is Q as well W is work. So we shall see next topic. Thank you children.